Introduction, focus on learning. While we will be creating an interesting Tableau dashboard, it's not just about going through the motions. It's about learning various techniques, so please keep in mind the following. Please do the exercises and follow along with the videos. Please don't just watch because you won't learn much there. Go through all of the steps, watch the video multiple times, but the main thing is to get hands-on in Tableau. Learn the techniques. There will be several techniques applied during this course. Some might be introduced to you, others will be hammered home, but try to learn the techniques. Question everything. You can always add a comment underneath the course, start a discussion with me, but the main thing is to question everything. Why did I do it like this as opposed to option B? The main thing is to really think and challenge, because you will learn so much more that way. I believe that repetition is one of the best teachers, and there will be some repetition in this course. I will show you how to create the first version, and then you'll repeat or duplicate or replicate. And the key is to go through the exercise because it will hammer home the technique. Keep every lesson. These lessons are built for you. Do not watch and forget. Keep every lesson because there's not that many in the world of Tableau. Keep as much as you can. You will learn and progress much faster that way. Google is king. I always say this. If you have any questions about the course, please do leave me a comment or start a discussion. However, also learn to Google. Enter in, search for your answers, because just by going above and beyond the content of this course, you will learn so much more. And remember, the outcome of this course is not just an amazing dashboard, a cool dashboard, something you could add to your portfolio. That is all very well and nice. However, I want you to learn, to improve, and to really upskill. So, in this course, please focus on your own personal development and your personal learning.